Welcome to a journey through time and imagination. On this journey, we'll be exploring the future of human evolution, a future shaped by the relentless march of technology. Our first stop takes us to the realm of genetic engineering, specifically the groundbreaking technique known as CRISPR. This technology, which essentially allows scientists to edit genes, holds immense potential. Imagine a future where genetic diseases no longer exist, and desirable traits can be enhanced. It's a future where human evolution is driven not by natural selection, but by our own choices. Next, we venture into the world of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. These devices create a direct communication pathway between the brain and an external device, promising a revolution in human communication. This could lead to enhanced cognitive abilities, effectively supercharging the human brain. From here, we shrink down to the nanoscale. Nanotechnology, particularly the use of nanobots, could fundamentally change healthcare. These tiny machines might one day target diseases at the cellular level or even enhance our physical capabilities. Our journey then takes us to the intersection of artificial intelligence and robotics. As these technologies become increasingly integrated into our daily lives, we can expect significant transformations. From increased automation to personalized healthcare and improved prosthetics, the AI and robotics revolution will undoubtedly redefine what it means to be human. Now, we leave the confines of Earth and venture into space. With advancements in space travel and colonization, humans might evolve to adapt to extraterrestrial environments. This could lead to the emergence of new human species, each shaped by the unique conditions of their new homes. Returning to Earth, we delve into the world of 3D printing and bioprinting. The ability to create personalized organs and tissues could revolutionize healthcare and potentially extend human lifespan. It's a future where the line between man and machine becomes increasingly blurred. Next, we explore the immersive realms of virtual and augmented reality. These technologies blur the lines between physical and digital realities. This could lead to new forms of human perception and interaction, further altering our evolutionary trajectory. Our journey now takes us to the realm of quantum computing. This technology promises to solve complex problems, accelerate scientific research, and revolutionize data processing. It's a future where our understanding of the universe and ourselves could expand exponentially. From here, we turn our attention to renewable energy and sustainability. Advancements in energy technologies could lead to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly future for humanity. This could result in a new phase of human evolution, one where we live in harmony with our planet. Finally, we explore the potential of cyborg technology. The integration of humans and technology could lead to enhanced sensory perception, cognitive abilities, and physical capabilities. It's a future where the line between human and machine becomes increasingly blurred. In conclusion, the future of human evolution will be heavily influenced by these 10 transformative technologies. Each holds the potential to redefine what it means to be human. As we stand on the brink of these technological revolutions, one thing is clear: the future of human evolution is in our hands. So what do you think the future holds? Share your thoughts, because the future starts with a conversation.